Assalamualaikum and hi. Today our group will be presenting video presentation for BIO320, which is from Kingdom Animalia and phylum Chordata, Red Panda. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce our member first. The first one is Yusrina Najla. The second one is Nifar Wahida. The third one is Nurina Humaira. The next one is Nurul Nadila. The last one is Nur Amelia. Our content is taxonomic description, habitat, characteristic, life cycle and important to ecosystem and in economy.
So, the first thing that we are going to present is about the taxonomic description for the red panda. The domain for red panda is Eukarya, while the kingdom for red panda is Animalia. Chordata is the phylum for the red panda, all known as the Himalayan red panda. It is belong to Mammalia class and the order is Carnivora. The family of the red panda is Ailuridae and the genus is Ailurus. Red panda also belongs to the species called as Ailurus fulgens.
Now moving to the habitats of red panda. There are many habitats of red panda, but it is primarily in the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China. So the first one is in coniferous forest. The red panda inhabit forests, especially those with thick bamboo growth. The second one is temperate broadleaf and mixed forest. The red panda inhabits temperate broadleaf and mixed forests, often with steep slopes and dense bamboo cover. The third one is old-growth forest, provide a mix of bamboo and other tree species such as Himalayan oaks, Himalayan birch, and Himalayan fir. The last one is subalpine conifer forest. In China, the red panda inhabits subalpine conifer forest, particularly in the Hangduan Mountain and Chonglai Mission conifer forest.
The characteristic of red panda is soft thick fur, reddish brown above and black underneath, long bushy tail that is finely ringed, raccoon-like mammal about the size of a large domestic cat. Their face usually white with a stripe of red-brown from each eye to the corners of the mouth and semi-retractile claws. This helps them camouflage from the predators as they blend in great with their forest habitat. The body length is 20 until 26 inches and the tail about 12 until 20 inches long and the weight around 6.5 to 14 pounds. Red panda is a carnivore that adapted to a highly specialized bamboo diet comprised 95% of their diet subsists mainly on the most nutritious leaf tips, tender shoots of bamboo and other vegetation fruits and insects, and they eat a lot. This is because red panda can digest only about 24% of the bamboo they eat. They are most active during twilight hours of early morning and evening, spending most of the day resting in trees conserving their energy. It is nocturnal and may live alone, in pairs during mating season or in family groups.
The next one is life cycle. Life cycle started with the bird. Usually only get together for mating, mate with multiple partners between January and March. A few days prior to giving birth, the female gathers brush and departs to serve as a net. 1 to 4 cubs are born to the female after 112 and 158 days gestation. Next is adolescent part. The mother devoted 60 to 90% of her time to feeding and grooming her child. Switch the cubs between multiple nests since she can identify each by sense. The cubs can open their eyes at about 18 days. The mother now only tends to the cub a few hours and spend less time at the nest. The cub started to live in the nest and started eating solid food. Last one is adulthood part. It reach complete maturity between the age of 2 and 3 years. They can breed early at 18 months, reproduce slowly and find it extremely difficult to bounce back from population decrease. Live up to 10 on average. Red panda can live up to 15 years.
Lastly, we are going to talk about the importance of red panda to the ecosystem and in ecomination. Here are 2 points I would like to point out, which are the first one is red panda plays an important role in balancing the forest ecosystem, and the second one is how red panda is a flagship species for the eastern Himalayan broadleaf forest. Alright, for my first point, red panda help to assist in spreading seeds for the bamboo population. Here how it works. Usually the seeds and the plants will collect on their fur, which is then will dispose as they move throughout the habitat. As we acknowledge that red panda also climbs trees and swings, which in this way it helps to further the disperse of the seeds. Next, red panda usually participate in many interactions with other organisms, which are first, they are predators to small birds, insects, and small lizards. Also, they serve as a prey for snow leopards and clouded leopards. Furthermore, we are going to move to how red pandas represent the indicator, umbrella, and a flagship species for the eastern Himalayan broadleaf forest. It is thought that they are a charismatic mammals, that making them as an ideal flagship species for harness public support for prudent natural resource management in the eastern Himalayan. Do you know the eastern Himalayan broadleaf forest includes Nepal, India, Bhutan, Myanmar, and China? The reason why the red panda are found in this eastern Himalayan broadleaf forest due to the high altitude of forest, temperate forest, it fills with bamboos in Himalayas, and also it was surrounded with mountains. Fun fact, currently red pandas are experiencing a loss of recreational nesting trees and a diet sample bamboos, leading to the decline of their population.
So in conclusion, the phylum Chordata is varied and include all animals that have notochord at some point in their life. Also, the size range for Chordata is from fish to mammals. It is exhibit an amazing evolutionary and adaptation path that provide insight into the diverse range in the earth.